Today I'm going to show you how to make the Panda Express Teriyaki Chicken at home. It's not just cheaper than the $12 version, it's better tasting. The secret lies in two parts, a simple marinade for that perfect homemade teriyaki sauce. Let me walk you through it step by step. You're going to start with the marinade. You just need 4 ingredients: soy sauce, white sugar, garlic powder, and white pepper. You combine these to marinate your chicken pieces. After the chicken is marinated, pat the chicken dry with paper towels for the best browning. Sear it in an iron cast skillet until fully cooked. Set the chicken aside. Then you're going to start the teriyaki sauce. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to make with basic pantry ingredients. Whisk all the ingredients together, then pour into a pan and simmer until it thickens to your desired consistency. Finally, slice your cooked chicken into bite-sized pieces. Pour the thickened teriyaki sauce over it and serve. Trust me, once you try this homemade version, you won't want to go back to takeout. For this recipe and more, come to copycat.com.